How to allow camera access on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to allow camera access on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Snapchat app on a device. Log into your account. Now you have to select the profile icon at top left corner of the screen and search for the setting or gear icon at top right corner. Simply select that and simply search for camera. If you don't get this way, simply you need to head towards the settings of your Android phone or iPhone. Or simply what you can do is tap and hold Snapchat and the eye icon and then head towards the app info section and select permissions. Now you have to select camera and then make sure to tap allow only while using the app or you can tap ask every time. But don't select don't allow. Once done, you will successfully allow camera access on Snapchat. That's all. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.